Hello all and welcome back to new unboxing video. This is Ketul Patel and in this video we are going to unbox a protective case for MacBook Pro. So this is from a company called Pro Case. So this is a protective case that can protect your MacBook from external damages. So let's open this box and let's check out how the product is. So when you open the box, here is the case. It comes with some bubble protection. Let's get it inside. So this is the case. This is the packing. Not too much fancy, but it's good. We just want the case. So let's open this. And here we have some warranty, like you can register for warranty, and this is how you can activate your warranty. So this is basically from the company. So this is the case. So let's open this case. So another protection inside, and here we get a product installation manual. So it says how to install the top cover, how to install the bottom cover, and all the instructions that you can read in this. And here it says computer case and nothing more than that. So it says that it is drop tested protection for all your Apple devices. So let's check this. So it come in two different sections. So the bottom one is separate and the top one is separate. So first let's talk about the top one. So here we have a protective matte kind of sheet that protect your upper body from the scratches and any kind of damages. And here on the four corners we have a rubber material that provide from the drop impact, so it can protect your MacBook from a drop. And this is the bottom case. So here we have some grills and four rubber panels over here. And the best thing about this case is it has a small stand. So what you can do is you can just align your MacBook a little bit up and you can work. So many of you like that kind of work environment, so this might be a good product for you. So now let's install this in our MacBook and check how it looks and how it fits. So let's install this. So now let's install this product. So this is my MacBook 13-inch 2020 model. So before you buy this kind of cases, just make sure that it fits for your model. So you can check your model number from back of your MacBook. And if you want to purchase this, the link is in description. You can go and check out. So to install this, you just need to push your MacBook inside. So you just need to put your MacBook aligned to this, and just you need to fasten this clip. So there are four clips over here. So two on this side, two on this side, and two on bottom. So in total there are six clips. So you just need to push them. I know it's this type of hard cases are tough to install, but you need to do it properly, otherwise it can lead to a product damage. And now let's install our front our top case. So now to install the upper part, you must need to check which is the top part and which is the bottom. So you will find two big clips over here. So that clip will go on top of your screen and the small will go on bottom of your screen. So make sure you put the top cover in the same position. So as you can see that here there are two big clips and at the bottom there are two small clips, so you can figure it out. So to install this, you just need to put the cover on the top. So make sure, so when you put the cover, make sure you start from the top. So just slide down from the top so that these two clips get adjusted over here automatically. And then you just need to gently push the side clips over here. Don't push it too hard because it can damage your screen. And no need to push it from the bottom. You can see that this is now tight. So as you can see that this is how the MacBook looks. So this is the top part, so it can protect you from the scratches. We have the four corner rubber, hard rubber that can protect your MacBook from a fall. So it can protect your corners too. And at the bottom we have some air vents, as MacBook have its own internal cooling which do cooling from here, and this is of no use, but still it can solve some overheating issues. And we have the four rubber protection over here. This is also the hard rubber and the two clips, so you can always use your MacBook. And the as you can see that you can use it as on some aligned position, and it's easy to use. And talking about the side part, so here you can see that if you have a USB hub connector, then the USB hub connector which plug directly in this might not work for this type of cases, because you can see there is a lot of gap between the cover and the body part. So you need to select some of the product like this, and that's all. And here also we have the space for our USB, the audio jack, auxiliary jack, and also so it's tight and it will not fall apart. So these are some of the cases that can protect your MacBook from external body damages. So this was all overall experience of this case. So if you want to purchase this case, the link is in the description. You can go and purchase this. And if you have any questions about this case, you can just comment down below. And overall, if you like the video, press like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more of unboxing videos. Thank you for watching.